Hey guys, welcome back to our third video in which we will be setting a workspace for our protector, or you can think of like saying we are creating a project for protector automation. Now, you can see as the heading here, we are saying setting a protector workspace independently. Why we are saying independently is in this tutorial series, we will see how to set up a protector independently and how to set up a protector inside a Angular project. So in real time, whenever you will create some automation for your project, your this code will reside inside Angular project in e2e folder. And if you know we can generate these projects, Angular projects from CLI. When we will generate it, will automatically create some scripts and a basic protector guidelines for us. So in this tutorial we will see both. So in third, I'm covering the setting protector workspace independently from Angular, so you can use for anything. And in fourth video we will see how to set this thing for Angular website. And in whole of this video series, we will focus mainly on setting the workspace of Protector. For to start with Protector, we need two things. One is Node.js, another thing is Visual Code. So Node.js, we need to install our Protector on our machine. So Node.js comes with a Node package manager, and we will be using our this Node package manager npm to install the Protector in our local machine. And Visual Code we need as a IDE. So in this series, I will be using Visual Code to code all the test cases and all the scenarios for our protector. So you can just go for downloading Node.js, go to this page, or you can just Google Node.js download, and you can come here and download according to your operating system. For Visual Code, just go here, click on the download, just follow the instruction, and if needed, you can restart your system after this. Once Node.js is installed in your machine, you can see something like this. So whenever you will go and search for Node.js command prompt, you can see this. And when you will open this, you can just fire any node command to see whether node is installed properly or not. So I'm just saying node minus v, and I can see I'm having node version 8.11.3. So now we will set we will create our project in Angular. So let's say you can just like navigate to your project. Let me go. I already have, I think, YouTube folder somewhere. Yeah, and in YouTube folder we can create a folder. I think I already have PR demo. So you can just navigate to your folder or your project where you want to create this protector workspace. So I already created this PR demo thing. This is an empty folder. So when I will navigate to this folder, I have to run one command to install my protector. Now, whenever we are installing this protector or any other dependency, we can install this dependency in two ways. One is we can install that globally, and the other one we can install just for this project. For an example, you can see I'm saying npm, which is a node package manager. So this is a command. Whenever I will say npm, my system knows I have to call npm. Then when I'm saying install, this is for npm, and npm knows, okay, this machine is calling me to install something. And then you say minus g. This gives command to npm that hey, whatever you're installing, install in the user directory, because I will be using this for whole of my system. So any project I'm creating in this machine can use this. If I'm removing this minus g, it means I'm saying hey npm, can you please install protector in this folder. And whenever I'm saying in this folder, it means it will create node modules inside this folder, which is pr demo folder. So let me show you. So this will run like for some time. It may take some time in your machine, but then it will give you this version. It's saying Protector 5.4.1 is already there. It means my this PR demo folder contains a node module where I can see Protector. So let me show you how my this node module looks like. So I will open my C drive and then I will go to my YouTube folder and I can show you my PR demo folder. Let me bring on this screen. You can see here. So this node module, so this was my project, this was my folder where I ran this command, and you can see here I have a node module and a package log.json. So we are not worried about this. We are just worried about this node modules. How this node module came here, because we installed it. Now what is inside this node module? So it will install my protector. You can see it's here. Now you will think, what are these other things? So whenever we are installing something, it also has other dependencies. Like, okay, if I want to run some program and it is using underline, it is using some other program, so it will download all those things. So here my protector is dependent on all these dependencies you can see here, but I'm not worried about them. I'm worried just about my protector. Now the good thing here is you can see it gives you the example. You see TypeScript example and a simple example. The TypeScript we will look in Angular one. So now what is this example here? So the example will give you the base code, the structure code. You can see I have this code here, and this code is like ready to run. I can run this code and it will give me some output. Now either I can open this folder in my Visual Code, or I can run from command prompt. So I will show you both the ways. First I will run this code from my command prompt, and then we will see what is inside this. What are these files? So let me navigate to these files first.
And before navigating to this, I just want to tell you one more thing. So when you are trying to install this protector, you may get error. You may get error like connection refused or unable to install or something. And those errors will be because of the corporate proxy. So if you are trying this demo, or you're watching this video and you're setting your workspace behind any proxy, means you're in office or you're connected to an VPN, then you need to set those proxies first for npm. So it's not a big task. Let me show some commands to you. You can see on my screen. So how you will set this thing? You will tell npm, hey npm, change my config, set my proxy to this thing, and this is your proxy and this is your port number. So you can ask anyone, like if you are new to the team or if you are new to the company, you can ask any developer or anyone that, hey, can you please share me the proxy and the port number, and those things you can set here. Similarly, you have to set a proxy for HTTPS. So these two lines you have to run before running install protector, install npm install protector. Once you are done with this, you are good to go. But just I want to show you some deep thing, like what happens when we are running npm install protector. So when we are running npm install protector, it's installing more than 100 packages, and the very important package inside it is this one, webdriver-manager package. So this webdriver-manager contains all the web drivers inside this which we need to run, like Chrome, Firefox. So Firefox is like Gecko driver. But whenever we are installing, we have to just update this to see whether we have the updated version or not. So you can see here, whenever I will do webdriver-manager update, it will run these things, and it will show me which versions it is pending now. So you can see here it is Gecko driver 23 version, Chromium is 2.4 version. Okay, now so after running this, we are good to go. Now we can navigate to our conf file. Now why we are navigating to conf file? Because conf file is input to protector. So protector doesn't know what you are coding. Protector doesn't know what are your specs or anything. It just knows the conf file. So you have to give the conf file. Everything will be in conf file, and it will start running, executing the test cases. So let me go there. So again, in which folder you will run npm install protector command, there you can find the node modules. Inside the node modules, you will find a folder called protector. This is our installation which we just installed. In protector, they will give you example, which is just like a ready-made version of this project. In this, we have already seen there is an Angular folder. I don't know why this Angular is there. I think this is for material. and in this we have a conf file. Let me show you. So let me show you again. Here, this is our example. In example we have this Angular material. So let me show you how it will look like. This is my project. Here I installed my npm install Protractor. Once I did npm install Protractor, it installed all these dependencies. In these dependencies I can see Protractor. It should be here. In this Protractor I have example and Angular. In this Angular I have one conf file and two spec file. So here we called a spec file for the test files. So if you are familiar with Selenium and Cucumber, you can think these as a feature files and this is a runner. And if you are not familiar, you are just a developer and you are familiar with JUnit, you can think this is a JUnit test cases and this is my JUnit runner. So from here I am invoking these. So anyway, I have to call this conf. So to call this conf, I have to say protractor and space, and what input I have to give? Name of file. So here name of file is conf. I will say protractor conf. I will start it and it will start executing. So they gave you a basic test case where they will go on Angular material website and do some update, run 5 of the test cases and just show you how to invoke the WebDriver and all those things. Here you can see there are 4 spec. It ran 4, 0 failed. It means everything is good here. Now I have seen many of the guys are confused in the name conf. They will think like I have to give a conf name, but no, you can give any name here. Like let me change it to something like AAA, AAA. Now when I will come here, I just have to say protractor and instead of conf I have to give my file name now, which is AAA, and when I will execute, this will initiate a Chrome driver and it will execute my test cases. Now what is inside these files, how it is invoking this driver, from where it is getting the spec file, all those things we will see in next video where we will use the visual code. And now you can see it failed, so now it is running 5 specs. So we will see one by one what are these specs, why it is failing, why it is saying it's getting more than one element, and all these things in deep. We will see the core of the Protractor, how to run this thing, and we will use visual code. In that we won't be using this console, it's too worst because it doesn't make any sense. But I just want to show you that you can run the Protractor without anything. You just need a Node.js, install it and you can run it. You can just go change your spec file, again you can run, it will work. So you do not need anything. So in next video we will go and use a visual code to explore these code they have given us. And then in next video we will set up a workspace in Angular, and same thing we will run through Angular. Okay guys, then see you in next video. Thank you, and please do subscribe to this channel, and please share something if you like I'm missing something or something is wrong in this video. Please make a comment on it and I will try to rectify it. Thank you.